guys, welcome back to my channel. Last video before the summer holidays, and I thought, what else could it be if not a packing video? So we are doing 2 holidays this summer, and the first one, it is a city trip. I'm taking Emma to London, so we're gonna be in London for 1 week. It's gonna be hot. So in this video, we are packing my London luggage. It's gonna be a carry-on. Summer, so it is easier, I think, to pack a carry-on because of course things are lighter. So today's video, it is going to be packing a 10-kilo carry-on luggage with all my outfits for summer in London. All the pieces that I'm going to pack are very interchangeable, a color palette that is easy to mix and match, so you can definitely take inspiration for your 1 week holiday. All the items are, as always, shoppable, so if you like any of the pieces that you see today, you're gonna find them linked down in the description box with sizes as well. Finally, if you want to copy this list for your carry-on, making your life much easier, my tip is that if it's not, for example, this exact dress, but then you can think of one black or white dress. So take it like that and just keep the pieces as a reference, and then of course the color is subjective, you can play around with it. Item number 1, it is the t-shirt long dress. Extremely comfortable, something that is easy to pack, to fold in your luggage, easy to dress down, but also you can make it a little bit more chic with extra accessories, and we're gonna see that. I went for black because personally I love wearing black in the summer. I think it's very chic, but of course this could also be like a white dress. It is from Cézanne, a proper t-shirt style, but like long with a big slit on the side, so it's like quite airy, and then there is this detail here that you can make your own ribbon, so you can make it as tight or loose as you wish. And obviously, because it is a cotton t-shirt material, it is stretchy, it is comfortable, it is airy. It is like wearing a simple t-shirt but long in a dress. I could go for very simple black flat sandals such as the black Hermes or Run, but I've decided to add a little bit of interest with grey blue color, so I'm gonna go with my DIOR flats. I'm gonna match this DIOR clutch. This bag, I have it for a few years. It looks vintage, so I love that, but I actually bought it in the London Bond Street boutique a few years back, and when I travel, it is such a great bag because you can pack it flat in your luggage, so it is, you know, super convenient, and you can wear it as a clutch during the day, but it can also do as an evening bag for dinner, for example. But then you can also use it as a little tote, so if you have like a lot of stuff, you can also carry it like this. One of my number 1 bags for when I travel, and it's just perfect to pack in my luggage. I thought let's keep it with black jewelry, so I went for a black beaded, like big beads necklace, and black and gold earrings as well. These are from Soru, and do you see how such a simple dress that I can also wear at the beach with simple black flip-flops, but for the city I can easily dress it up a bit, make it more chic, just thanks to accessories, and it completely changes the vibe of the dress, but at the same time you still are very comfortable. I love these versatile pieces, especially for holidays. And then let's say you want to wear this dress for a nice dinner, like of course not a super dressy dinner, but you're going out, you want to wear heels because it's evening. I'm going to pack these Totem leather thong sandals. It's like a kitten heel, so easy to walk around, but at the same time you do get a little bit of an elevation, and they fit the dress as well. So I'm gonna have 2 shoes with this dress, and then according to when I'm wearing it, I'm gonna choose the shoes. Of course, also for the evening, I can keep the same bag. You see how versatile this is. And then I'm gonna go with black sunglasses. I'm gonna wear my Celine Triomphe in black. It kind of matches the vibe with the little gold logo, like black and gold, like my statement earrings. Look number 1, day or more of an evening styling. The next thing I'm packing, it is this set from Cezanne, stunning summer pieces. This can also be a white maxi skirt with a white top. This I want to especially demonstrate to you how I would always, in my summer luggage, carry-on or big luggage, it doesn't matter, always pack matching sets, because you can wear it together, but you can play so much around with it. So you can wear the skirt with a different top, and the top with different trousers and different accessories. So one matching set, it gives you so many outfit mix and match possibilities that it is, for me, always like a must have in my summer luggages. So I'm gonna go with this mini bag from Savette in suede. How good it is, this off-white color with caramel. It is stunning. And then for during the day, I'm going with flat thong sandals, leather thong sandals. These are from A. Emery. I buy so many summer sandals from them because the price is good. I buy them on My Theresa, and the quality is also good. I discovered this brand like a couple of years ago, and I keep buying sandals from them every summer. So this is option 1. Obviously, if you think of this set, it could also go with the previous DIOR accessories, but I still have space in the luggage, and these mini bags don't take so much space or weight, so we can still add options. This was like wearing the set together with these accessories, and then going forward in the video, we're gonna get back to this, and I'm gonna show you how I'm also planning on wearing the set separate and matching other pieces. Next, it is something a bit more casual, t-shirt and shorts. Let's go into detail. You can definitely wear this t-shirt with the maxi white skirt as well, or the shorts with the little top. So we are starting to add mix and match options. This is a linen set. It is from COS, 100% linen t-shirt. So you see that as a difference from a cotton t-shirt, it is more slouchy, definitely fit different than 100% cotton t-shirt, but it also feels more fresh, so that's why I love it. The color come out different from a cotton t-shirt as well. You see that it is more like off-white rather than a crisp white, so I think it is a nice essential to have in your summer wardrobe, a 100% linen t-shirt. And then the shorts, I saw them on the website, fell in love with the color but with the style as well. I really love them, and I sized up because I wanted them to be even more balloon and a little bit longer. There is a string on the waist, so you see like they're like massive on me, but you pull the string, then you have more of this balloon shape. I love the color, this like butter yellow. These are shorts that in the summer I can also dress up, so I can imagine also in the evening wearing these with like heels and a black top, for example. So I think this has been great found for summer. And then this is from Agatha, is a sort of shell shape earrings, and the mother of pearl statement ring that I think it matches so well with the set. I went with the black flat sandals, black with a bit of a gold detail. I got them last year on Massimo Dutti. I'm gonna check if they still have something similar because I wore them a lot last summer and they're still very good. And then I think it's time to introduce a raffia bag and also like a tote, because I have 2 mini bags. If we are out for a long time in the city, it's nice to have like a tote to put more stuff, also because Emma is there as well, so for sure I have to carry her stuff. So I'm going with this Loewe raffia tote that matches the black sandals. Okay, now let's start to make the pieces working harder. So I went back to the white maxi skirt and I'm wearing it with the same black sandals that I just showed you and same tote bag. So the only thing that I changed, that honestly it keeps zero space in the luggage, it is this cotton tank top. I'm also keeping the same black sunglasses and the same jewelry. Let's say you want to wear this in the evening. We already have all the pieces in the luggage because we can wear the black jewelry. For example, we can interchange the black jewelry that makes it a bit more statement, and we can wear the black kitten heel, and we have the DIOR clutch. So we already have in the luggage the evening options if we want. Final look I'm packing in my carry-on, it is this one, and I feel that it wouldn't be very smart or safe to go to the UK even if it's summer and apparently it's gonna be very warm. I feel that we always need long option if it rains, so I think it's very safe to bring just one pair of jeans. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wear them on the plane, so technically they're not going in the carry-on. The jeans are very lightweight, very nice for summer, very soft, very light, from Rag & Bone. The top, it is from Cezanne, so it is black with all this beautiful embroidery. I'm gonna go with the same bag from Loewe, and then I've added the Alaya ballerina that they're like close but not very close, if you know what I mean. This is the final look. All of these pieces that I'm wearing in this last final outfit, they can match very well with everything that I'm packing, so it just add options. Didn't bring any jacket, but I don't think I need a jacket. I might just wear a long sleeve t-shirt on the plane, I will see. I will post everything on my Instagram, like updated look, so you can check there also what I will be wearing at the airport. I hope you found some very good inspiration for your luggage. You can definitely use this as an example or like as a checklist. This is gonna be my last video before the summer holidays. It is just too complicated to film and edit YouTube while we are on holiday, so we are taking our usual summer break. So I'm gonna keep posting on my Instagram every single day, and here on YouTube I will try to upload outfit looks like on the shorts, so you're still gonna have content, but it's gonna be like quick content with like outfit looks every day when I get dressed. Also in the shorts you can open the description box and you can find the outfit details there as well. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box and I will get back to you. And I will see you at the end of summer, at the end of August, when we will be back from the holidays. Bye!